See. I feel awful like it's been seen down. I haven't been seen down, but I don't know where it is.
Well, it doesn't exactly make me feel as though I want to come back in a hurry.
Sorry, dear.
Which makes me feel awful for you.
Oh.
If you want to stay longer then, I'll drop you off, but I'll go elsewhere. I'm not sitting through it.
We'll swap it with come to today, okay? We're going now to York. Okay?
That's just your mum being
Yes, dear.
Martin's always okay. It's not a little red bus, it's a big yellow bus. It's got the little red bus on it and it's a big yellow one. What's wrong? We're going to have to stop at Boroughbridge and get some
Yes, dear. There's a whole wall there, isn't there? Actually, got
yes,
some
there
money,
is.
have you?
There's a hole in the wall of Boroughbridge, yeah.
Yes, we've got some money there. You're paying for petrol. Fine, I'll get some money out the hole in the wall.
I'll need a contribution.
What time will it be by the time we get there? Will it be...
I would say if we're lucky,
will it be about half
11, yeah.
So,
As long as you get a decent run there.
what do you want to do, Johnny? Do you want to get something to eat, or...?
Probably have to, but we'll see what there is. We don't want to be spending... You want to be spending on stuff, not food.
Well, no, but we need dinner, darling, don't we?
That, yeah,
so we'll get a pasty or something.
But what I'm saying is if it's expensive, you know, we don't want to be...
Okay, we'll see what there is, alright?
See what there is, yeah. I don't know what's that. I'm sorry.
So have you not been there before?
We've never been there before, no. Been past it hundreds of times.
Because I know we've been to Yorkshire Outlet loads of times.
Oh.
That's one with the big domes. Come on, Laura's bed. And it's got Next, and it's got Thorntons and the Cabbage World. That's one.
No, that's in Doncaster.
That's what I was thinking of.
Doncaster Cars. That's C-A-R-R.
Sorry?
It's Doncaster Cars, South Cars, C-A-R-R-S.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
We have one of those sometimes. Press screening thing in Tesco's.
Oh,
Sometimes. You put that in the back, Laura. I tell you what, I quite enjoyed that egg McMuffin that we had yesterday.
They're nice.
Very nice.
Nice thing we do.
Very Moorish though, aren't they?
Oh, exactly.
And the hash browns. They're nice. They only jump till a certain time, don't they, in the morning? Yeah. Is it technically York then, or is it?
It is York.
It is York.
It is York. It's just... It's not Milford, it's the next district into York. Above the A19 is Sack. Never remember the name.